back with a new video. We are going to draw Republic Day drawing with pretty mandala art and a relaxing drawing we are going to draw together. So get up with all your drawing materials and start drawing. So first of all, happy Republic Day to all of you, and this is really proud moment for our India. So now in today's drawing we are going to draw mandala art, and I'm going to teach you how to draw mandala art. So keep watching till the end, and this you should try this because this drawings comes out really pretty and you will definitely love it. And if you do, make sure to like the video and hit the like button, plus press the bell icon and subscribe to Shruti Art if you haven't before. So now let's start. As you can see, I'm using color pencils, brush pens and different things to color this stuff over here. And now after coloring, we're gonna start drawing mandala art. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. So now to draw the mandala art, I am using a compass here to take some measurements. You just have to draw small different circles which are random in size as your choice. So I am drawing with help of compass and drawing some circles in between the bigger circle. And the materials you will need is compass, pencil, some markers, that is black marker, and if you want you can also make it colorful with colorful markers. And with that I'm also going to use a ballpoint pen of black color. You can also use any different color like red, blue, anything you want. So these are some materials which are useful while drawing mandala art. Also, if you are a beginner, this tutorial is going to be awesome for you. So as you can see, I have taken all the measurements, and now we are going to fill all the parts one by one with drawing beautiful patterns in our mandala art. This will make our drawing look pretty, and while drawing mandala art you should be relaxed because this is the main reason drawing mandala art. So now I am using a ballpoint pen to draw some small patterns. So I recommend you don't use a broad nib pen to fill up the details, cause this detail should be drawn with ballpoint pen or a gel pen of black color or any colorful pen you want. And the broad nib like this I am using for filling the else part which is remaining. So like this you're gonna fill all the circles with all the patterns you want. I am using different patterns here. You can also take idea from this one and draw your own mandala art. So hope this is gonna be really easy and beautiful for you. So if you like the video and like the drawing, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe Shruti Art. So now as you can see, I have drawn 3 patterns in total now, and I am going to continue this until the end. And as you can see now, for details I am using ballpoint pen. You should also use ballpoint pen for the details and broad nib pen for the else things. So now relax and watch drawing mandala art by Shruti Arts. And follow Shruti Arts on Instagram. Link is in the description. Go and check it out.